In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll in Typeform. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. Creating a poll is a straightforward and fun process, and today, I'll guide you through each step so you can get started right away. To begin, you'll need to log into your Typeform account. If you don't have an account yet, it's super easy to set one up. Just head to the Typeform website and follow the prompts. Once you're logged in, click on the option to start a new form. This will bring you to a blank canvas where we'll be crafting our single poll question. Now, since we're creating a poll, our focus will be on one clear prompt to gather quick responses. Think of a question that you really want to know the answer to. It could be something simple like, do you prefer tea or coffee? Or maybe, what's your favorite season? The key here is to keep that question succinct and easy to understand right off the bat. Next, you need to select the type of question that best fits your poll. The most popular choice for polls is the multiple choice option. This is perfect for straightforward answers like yes or no, or for when you want to give your audience a few specific options to choose from. If your poll is a bit more visual, let's say you want people to pick their favorite design or product style, then go ahead and choose the picture choice option. With this feature, you can pair images with your answer choices, which can make the decision process more engaging for your respondents. Once you've chosen the type of question, it's time to type your poll question into the main field. Remember, clarity is crucial. Make sure your question is easily digestible so that respondents can immediately grasp what you're asking them. After that, you're going to add your answer choices. It's best to keep these options clear and mutually exclusive, meaning that each choice should be distinct enough that there's no confusion about what they mean. If you're going with picture choice, this is also where you can upload images for each option, enhancing the visual appeal of your poll. While you're crafting your question and choices, take a moment to refer to the right-hand sidebar. This is where some helpful settings can help you refine your question further. One especially useful feature is the option to mark the question as required. This ensures that everyone who engages with your poll must provide an answer before they can move on. This can be crucial for a single question poll, since that one response is essentially the focal point of what you're trying to learn. As you're customizing your poll, consider the outcome you're hoping to achieve. If you're just aiming for a quick yes or no answer, keep your options binary. If you want a bit more depth and are comparing several items, be selective with your answer choices to avoid overwhelming your audience. Remember, clearer choices lead to cleaner, more meaningful results. Once you've finalized your question and choices, it's time to publish your poll. You'll find a Publish button, usually located at the top of your screen. Clicking that will make your form live, and Typeform will generate a shareable link for you instantly. Copy that link, and then it's time to spread the word. You can share it through email, post it in a chat, or even throw it up on your social media accounts. Everyone with that link will be able to access your poll and submit their response, making it a simple yet effective way to gather opinions. And just like that, you've completed the process. You've logged in, started a new form, created either a multiple choice or picture choice question, customized your options, ensured the question was required if necessary, and published your poll to get that shareable link. You are now all set to collect responses quickly and clearly. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy creating your polls. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.